Contour surveyors in Gurgaon play a vital role in the field of land development and construction. These professionals are responsible for conducting contour surveys, which involve mapping the elevation and shape of the land. By accurately measuring the contours of the land, contour surveyors provide valuable information that is essential for designing and constructing buildings, roads, and other infrastructure projects. Their expertise is particularly crucial in areas like Gurgaon, where the terrain can be diverse and challenging. By using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, contour surveyors in Gurgaon are able to gather precise data that is used by architects, engineers, and designers to create efficient and sustainable structures. One of the key aspects of contour surveying is the creation of contour lines, which are lines that connect points of equal elevation on a map. These lines help to visualize the shape of the land and identify any variations in elevation. Contour surveyors in Gurgaon use specialized equipment such as total stations and GPS devices to accurately measure these elevations and create detailed topographic maps. This information is then used by professionals in the field of SCON design to plan and execute construction projects effectively. SCON design, which stands for Structural, Civil, and Construction Engineering Design, is an integral part of the construction process. It involves the planning and design of structures that are safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Contour surveyors in Gurgaon play a crucial role in SCON design by providing accurate topographic data that helps architects and engineers understand the physical characteristics of the site. This information enables them to design structures that are compatible with the natural features of the land and consider factors such as drainage, slope stability, and accessibility. The work of Gurgaon's contour surveyors is crucial to the city's expanding infrastructure. These experts are in charge of carrying out contour surveys, which entails making detailed maps of the topography. When it comes to designing and constructing buildings, roads, and other infrastructure projects, contour surveyors' precise measurements of the land's topography are indispensable. In places like Gurgaon, where the landscape is complex and varied, their knowledge and experience are invaluable. Contour surveyors in Gurgaon collect accurate information with the use of cutting-edge surveying tools and techniques, which is then used by other professionals to design and build buildings that are both functional and environmentally friendly. In contour surveying, one of the most important steps involves drawing contour lines, which join locations on a map that are at the same height. The elevation changes in the landscape can be better understood with the aid of these lines. Using total stations and GPS technologies, Gurgaon's contour surveyors are able to precisely measure these heights and produce precise topographic maps. SCON design experts utilize this data for efficient project planning and management on the job site.